outside glow, glow, glow. On the windowsill she starts to show. Red crayon wakes up, blue one too. Yellow and green say, how do you do? Baby says, come on, let's jump and sing. Little wax legs start everything. Red to the left, blue to the right. Orange and pink shine so bright. Tap your toes, spin around. Colors pop all through town. Baby, baby, glow and go. Color, color, let it show. Crayons jump in a happy row. Baby, baby, glow and go. Baby, baby, red and blue. Green and yellow, one and two. Every shade can sing with you. Baby, baby, red and blue. Purple paints a hat for baby's head. Brown makes boots on a paper bed. Silver winks from the corner line. Black draws stars that shine, shine, shine. Crayons laugh, then hop, hop, hop. Baby circles them, she cannot stop. Pink says here, green says go. Gold says ready, yes says glow. Up they bounce, down they sway. Every color finds its play. Baby, baby, glow and go. Color, color, let it show. Crayons jump in a happy row. Baby, baby, glow and go. Baby, baby, red and blue. Green and yellow, one and two. Every shade can sing with you. Baby, baby, red and blue. Now the whole box starts to sway. Baby, red and blue. Now the whole box starts to sway. Baby leads them all the way. One by one they make a train across the page like summer rain. Baby, baby, glow and go. Color, color, let it show. Crayons jump in a happy row. Baby, baby, glow and go. Baby, baby, red and blue. Every shade can sing with you. Baby, baby, red and blue.